So we replaced our old wooden door with a glass one and forgot to tell our cat.
Oh! Oh my god! That's gotta be Gus, because that stinks. Oh! That's gross.
Stop! Not even doing it. Look it. Ya me sacaste sangre.
Fucking burn the legs off.
Oh.
Oh, it's not dead. Look at the fucking size of it. Christ. What is it?
I don't know. Oh my god. Hey guys, I'm making cat stew tonight if anyone wants to come. I'm making cat stew tonight if anyone wants to come. I'm making cat stew tonight. If anyone wants to come. Cat stew!
Mmm, so good and tasty.
Mmm. Come on, Marco, get the chicken out. Say, get out. Say, get out the house. Good girl. Hurt the chicken. Don't bite the chicken's neck.
Look at this shameless dog of mine sitting at someone else's table trying to have lunch with them. Absolutely. And she's getting food as well.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Oh, good morning. Good morning, sleepy. Okay, good night.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You look.
Go get it.
You want to go outside?
I literally covered this up this morning, but no. This is what she does. Miss Chungus.
Really tight. Deirdre, check down your side for me. Thank you. How are we looking? All right? Okay, let's go.
Get fucking wrecked.
You can figure it out. Nope, nope. There we go. Oh. Yeah, okay.
Oh, please, if we were ruining your year, why didn't you even know about it? Maybe we were so distracted by
What are you doing? Why? Why do you lick the glass?
What?
Loopy. Loopy. Labas tayo?
So you want a mallow, puppy? You want a little piranha? Ow!